Hello my dear students, welcome back to my class, Easy Maths by Sukumar. How are you my dear students? See my dear students, in the last class we have solved exercise 10.2 1 to 8 questions. Now we are going to solve the remaining sums in this exercise 10.2. Before we start this exercise 10.2, ninth question, I request everyone, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and you can write in the comment box also. Thank you very much. See my students, here actually I cannot write this question because it is very lengthy. It occupies the whole board. So I will give you this question, that means statement, on the screen. Okay. In this exercise 10.2, ninth question. This is ninth question in this exercise 10.2. Okay. XY and X dash Y dash are two parallel tangents to a circle. These two are the parallel tangents to a circle with center O. This is the center O. Okay. And another tangent AB, this is another tangent AB with point of contact C. This is the point of contact C, right? Intersecting XY and X dash Y dash at capital A and capital B. Okay, prove that this angle AOB, that means this angle is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, see my dear students, to prove this angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees, to prove angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees, AOB is 90 degrees. See what is given here. The two tangents XY is parallel to X dash Y dash, and AB is X dash Y dash and XY are two tangents. They are parallel to each other, and AB is a tangent. AB is a tangent with point of contact at C. This is the point of contact of AB. Okay. See my dear students, here this tangent AB intersects this XY tangent at capital A, and this same tangent AB intersects this X dash Y dash tangent at capital B. Okay. So we have to prove here angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees. Angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Look here please. I will write the proof here. So first we will do one small construction here. Just join this O and C. Join this O and C. Okay, I will write here construction. What is the construction here? Just join this O and C, OC. Okay. See my dear students, here take the two triangles PAO and CAO. Take the two triangles, they are in triangle PAO and triangles PAO and triangle what? CAO. Observe the two triangles here. PAO is one triangle, CAO is one triangle. Here my dear students, this angle is what? 90 degrees, and this angle is also 90 degrees. Since this OC is the radius and AB is the tangent, according to theorem 10.1, and here this OP is the radius and XY is the tangent, again according to 10.1, theorem 10.1, so this angle is 90 degrees. Okay, that means angle OPA and angle OCA both are equal to 90 degrees. Both angles are equal to 90 degrees since theorem 10.1. That means the angle between the radius and the tangent at the point of contact or through the point of contact is 90 degrees. Okay. See my dear students, again here this OA is the common side for both the triangles. Common side. This OA is the common side for both the triangles. And next my dear students, here this OP and OC are the radii of the circle. OP is equal to OC. since radii of the circle. Radii of the circle, right? Therefore, according to what? Right angle, hypotenuse and side, right angle, hypotenuse and side, the two triangles, triangle PAO is congruent to triangle CAO. Both triangles are congruent according to RHS congruency rule. So my dear students, here these two triangles are congruent. Therefore, according to CPCT, we can write that at angle PAO and angle CAO are equal. That means angle PAO, it is equal to angle CAO, since from CPCT, that means corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. Okay, so that means angle PAO and angle CAO are equal. Are you getting my points here? Right. So angle PAO and angle CAO are equal. Now I will take the full angle. That means angle PAC. This angle is equal to angle PAO plus angle CAO. This is the sum of the two angles, angle PAO and angle CAO. Just observe here. This angle PAC is equal to angle PAO plus angle CAO. So what is angle PAO and angle CAO? They both are equal. So angle PAO is equal to angle CAO. That means instead of this angle PAO also we can write angle CAO, again angle CAO. So that means angle PAC, it is equal to 2 times angle CAO. This is equation number 1. Okay, see this angle PAC is equal to 2 times angle CAO. Similarly, my dear students, if you take these two triangles OQB and CBO, this angle QBO is equal to, angle QBC is equal to what? 2 times angle, similarly angle QBC is equal to 2 times angle OBC. This is angle OBC, angle OBC or OCB. This is equation 2. Did you understand, my dear students, up to here? Just I will repeat again. Look, just here first I take the triangle PAO and triangle OCA or CAO. Okay, here's just I make it the two triangles are congruent. So whenever the two triangles are congruent, according to CPCT, this angle PAO and angle CAO are equal. I am taking it here the full angle, angle PAC, it is equal to sum of the two angles, that is PAO and CAO. But angle PAO and angle CAO both are equal. So from this equation, what? Since angle PAO is equal to angle CAO, so my dear students, instead of this angle PAO, we can write angle CAO, again angle CAO. Angle CAO plus angle CAO is equal to 2 times angle CAO. So that means angle PAC is equal to 2 times angle CAO. This is equation 1. Similarly, my dear students, if you take these two triangles are congruent, if you make it the two triangles are congruent and these two corresponding angles are equal, then angle QBC is equal to 2 times angle OCB or angle OBC here. Now just by adding this equation 1 and equation 2, that means what is equation 1? Angle PAC, and what is equation 2? What is the left hand side of angle equation 2? That means angle QBC, angle PAC plus angle QBC is equal to 2 times angle CAO plus 2 times angle what? OBC, angle OBC, right? Can you see here? This is C, angle OBC. Okay. See, my dear students, here just by adding this equation 1 and equation 2, angle PAC plus angle QBC is equal to 2 times angle CAO plus angle 2 times angle OBC. Just make it 2 as common, then this is angle CAO plus angle OBC. Okay, CAO plus angle OBC. That means this is the sum of these two angles in this triangle OAB. Please have a look here. This is CAO, that means this angle, and this is angle OBC, that means this angle. So this is angle PAC plus angle QBC. PAC plus angle QBC. Once you look here, my dear students, please. PAC QBC. Actually, this XY is parallel to X dash Y dash. XY is parallel to X dash and Y dash. Just imagine this AB is the transversal. Then what about the sum of these two angles, my dear students? Sum of the interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. Therefore, according to this concept, angle PAC plus angle QBC, this is equal to 180 degrees. So this is equal to 2 times angle CAO plus angle OBC. The reason here to write this 180 degrees is these two angles are some of the interior angles are on the same side of the transversal. Here this transversal is AB and this XY and X dash Y dash are the two tangents which are parallel to each other. Therefore, my dear students, this is 180 degrees. The sum of the, let me write here, the sum of the interior angles. The sum of the interior angles on the same side of the transversal. On the same side of the transversal. Therefore, the sum of the interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. Therefore, these two angles sum is 180 degrees. So, my dear students, now just we will make it, just to transpose this 2 to other side. That means angle CAO plus angle OBC, it is equal to 180 by 2, that is 90 degrees. That means, my dear students, here in this triangle OAB, this angle OAC plus angle OBC, instead of the CAO, we can write angle OAC. OAC, angle OAC plus angle OBC is equal to 90 degrees. That means angle OAC plus angle OBC, it is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, now take the triangle OAB here. Now in triangle OAB, the sum of the three angles, sum of the three interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. That means angle AOB plus angle OAC plus angle OBC, it is equal to 180 degrees. So, my dear students, we don't know what is the angle AOB, but we have to prove that angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees. That means angle AOB plus this angle OAC plus angle OBC, from the above equation, angle OAC plus angle OBC is 90 degrees. It is equal to 180 degrees. So, angle AOB is equal to 180 minus 90. So, it is equal to 90 degrees. That means angle AOB, it is equal to 90 degrees. Hence, it is proved. Hence, it is proved. I hope you understand this question, my dear students. Here, just we proved these two triangles are congruent, and the first step we had done here is angle PAO and angle CAO are equal according to CPCT, and I take the full angle, that is angle PAC. This is equal to angle PAO plus angle CAO, but these two angles are equal. So instead of this angle PAO also, I have written angle CAO. That means angle PAC is equal to 2 times angle CAO. So this is equation 1. Similarly, my dear students, this angle QBC is equal to 2 times angle OBC or angle OCB. Okay, just by adding these two equations, we will get angle PAC plus angle QBC is equal to 2 of angle CAO plus angle OBC. So, but instead of this, I am taking 100 degrees. Why? The sum of the interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. Therefore, 180 by 2 is 90. That means angle CAO plus angle OBC or angle OAC plus angle OBC is equal to 90 degrees. So in this triangle, my dear students, in OAB triangle, this angle and this angle is 90, means the sum of these two angles is 90 degrees, means that angle AOB must be equal to 90 degrees. Hence it is proved. Look here, 10th question in this exercise 10.2. Prove that the angle between two tangents drawn from external point of a circle. Okay, that means let me take a circle here first. Here there are two tangents drawn from this external point of a circle. Two tangents drawn from this external point of a circle is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the points of contact at the center. Okay, so there are two line segments here. These two are the line segments. O is the center of the circle. Here these two A and B are the points of the contacts. So here this angle and this angle are supplementary. Okay, the angle between the two tangents drawn from external point of a circle, the angle between these two tangents from external point of a circle is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segments. Angle subtended by the line segments join the points of contact. Joining the points of contact, A and B are the points of contact. This is the angle. So these two angles are what? Supplementary. Supplementary means what? 180 degrees. The sum of their angles must be equal to 180 degrees. Okay. See, my dear students, here what is given? O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. And what are the tangents here? PA and PB are the tangents. PA and PB are the two tangents drawn from the external point of a circle. Here you know that angle OAP is equal to 90 degrees. Similarly, angle OBP is also 90 degrees. Why? Since the theorem 10.1, so many times I have been repeating this theorem 10.1, so many times we have been used, right? So angle OAP is 90 and angle OBP is also 90 degrees. Okay, now take the what? OAPB in the quadrilateral. What is the quadrilateral? OAPB. The sum of the four angles is what? Four angles. Sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. That means angle OAP plus angle APB and angle OBP plus angle AOB. These four angles sum is equal to 360 degrees. Okay. Now what is angle OAP, my dear students? As I told you, not I am telling, according to theorem 10.1, angle OAP is 90 degrees plus angle APB, we don't know this angle, plus angle OBP, it is also 90, plus angle AOB, it is unknown, it is equal to 360 degrees. This is implies, my dear students, 90 plus 90 is 180 degrees. That means angle APB plus angle AOB, APB plus angle AOB, this sum should be equal to supplementary. We have to prove like that. So this 90 plus 90 is 180, it is equal to 360 minus 180. So it is equal to 180. So angle APB plus angle AOB, it is equal to 180 degrees. That means these two angles, that means the angle between the angles between the tangents drawn from external point of a circle is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the point of contacts to the center of the circle is supplementary. That means this sum is supplementary. Okay, let me write here to prove actually what we have to prove. Angle APB plus angle AOB, it is equal to 180 degrees. That means these two angles are supplementary. So here we just now proved that the sum of these two angles is 180 degrees. That means hence it is proved. Hence it is proved. It's very simple sum now, so students. Okay. Okay, coming to the 11th question in this exercise 10.2. Prove that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. Okay, that means here this ABCD is a what? Parallelogram which circumscribing a circle. That means which is passing through the what? The circle. That means this parallelogram is outside of the circle. That means here what is given? This ABCD is a parallelogram circumscribing a circle. Circumscribing a circle with center, just write with center O. Okay. Actually, what is to be proved here? To prove this ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. We have to prove this ABCD is a rhombus. Here, my dear students, let me write here. There are the points of contacts of this what? Tangents. AB, BC, CD and AD actually are the four tangents of the given circle. So here, this is some P, this is Q, this is R and this is S. Okay, so to prove this ABCD is a rhombus. Okay, let me write the proof here. Like already we have proved that question number is 8th question, like 8th question only. Okay, see my dear students, here this AP is equal to BP. AP and BP are equal. I made a mistake. AP and AS are equal. Yes, am I right? AP and AS are equal since A is the external point of a circle. Therefore, the tangents drawn from external point of a circle are equal from theorem 10.2. Similarly, this BP is equal to BQ. Similarly, there is DS. DS and DR are equal. That DR is equal to DS. DR it is equal to DR is equal to DS and CR is equal to CQ. So this all what? 4 equations I have written based on theorem 10.2. Okay. Now by adding, my dear students, by adding these equations, by adding AP plus BP, AP plus BP plus DR plus CR, it is equal to what? Look here, AS plus DS. I am taking AS plus DS plus BQ plus CQ. This BQ and this CQ. BQ plus CQ. Okay, so what is AP plus BP? The sum of these two segments is equal to AB. That means here this AP plus BP, DR plus CR, AS plus DS, BQ plus CQ. Okay, so that means AP plus BP is AB and DR plus CR is DC. AB plus DC, it is equal to, here AS plus DS is AD. Similarly, BQ plus CQ, BQ and CQ, the sum of these two segments is equal to BC. Okay, so finally what we proved in question number 8 in this exercise 10.2. This is the steps, last step. Okay, but now what we have to prove here? This ABCD is a what? Rhombus. Okay, AB and DC are equal, but since it is a parallelogram, the opposite sides are equal. Therefore, instead of this DC, just I am writing again AB. DC is also equal to AB. These are the opposite sides of a parallelogram. Okay, And again here AD and BC are equal, but instead of this BC also again I am writing AD. Since ABCD is a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, the opposite sides are equal. Therefore, AB and again instead of this DC, AB, AD plus instead of this BC also AD. This is equal to, my dear students, 2AB is equal to 2AD. Just get cancel this 2 and 2 on both sides. That means AB is equal to AD. So here this is AB and this is AD. These are the adjacent sides of a parallelogram. They are equal to each other. Adjacent sides of a parallelogram are equal to each other. Therefore, my dear students, this ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. So what is the definition of a rhombus, my dear students? In a parallelogram, if the adjacent sides are equal, then it is called a rhombus. Therefore, here this AB and AD are equal. Therefore, we can say that this ABCD is a rhombus. So, my dear students, hence it is proved. That means a parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. Okay. 12th question in this exercise 10.2. I cannot write this question because the question itself is a very lengthy. If I write here, then it occupies the whole board. But I will give you this question, statement of this 12th question in the screen. Okay. A triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle. So this is the triangle drawn on the circumscribing a circle of radius 4 centimeters. Actually, the radius of the circle is 4 centimeters. This radius is 4 centimeters. Okay. Such that the segments BD, BD and DC, DC, into which BC is divided by the point contact DR of length 8 centimeters and 6 centimeters. That means this OD is dividing this line segment CB into two parts, which are, one is DB is 8 centimeters and the CD is 6 centimeters. Okay, respectively. Find the sides AB and AC. That means we have to find the lengths of the sides AB and AC here. We have to find the lengths of the sides, this AB and AC. Okay. Look here. See, my dear students, here it's very big lengthy sum. Actually, for AP board students, this sum is not given in this textbook, in their textbook. There is another type of sum given, but here in the AP board student, for AP board students, this angle is given right angle here. That means the triangle ABC is right angle triangle. Then there the solution of the that sum is very simple. We can apply what? Half BH, that means half of the product of the two perpendicular sides. But here we have to use Heron's formula here. Since it is this triangle ABC is not a right angle triangle, so we have to use Heron's formula. Okay, please listen carefully, my dear students here. Okay, see here, let the points of the contacts are here. This is some E and this is some F. We should find the lengths of the sides AB and AC here. Here the only clue given here is the radius of the circle is 4 centimeters and this what? This is 4 centimeters and this OD divides this CB, side CB into two parts, that each part is 6 centimeters and 8 centimeters respectively. That means CD and DB are equal to 6 and 8 centimeters respectively. Okay. See, my dear students, here just I am doing one small construction. Before that I will write what is given here. ABC is a triangle, circumscribing a circle of center O. Okay. Here what is given? This CD is equal to 6 centimeters and this DB is equal to 8 centimeters. and this OD is equal to 4 centimeters. Okay, see my dear students, just first I will start with here the proof not solution. Okay, the solution is, just I will take this AF, let AF is equal to AE is equal to some x centimeters. That means this is x centimeters, this is x centimeters, this is also x centimeters. The reason here is AF and AE are the two tangents drawn from the external point of a circle A. That means they are equal. Therefore, since they are equal, that means we can take this AF and AE as equal to x centimeters. That AF is equal to AE is equal to x centimeters. Okay, what next my dear students? Here just join, we will make a small construction here. What I am doing here is just join this OE, OF, OE and OF. That means join OE and OF, OE and OF, and also we join this OA also here, OE, OF and OA, OA. Okay, here this OC also, OC, OE, OC, OF and OA. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here this OB also, OB. Again I will write join OA, OB, OC and OF. OD is already given. Okay, now my dear students, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triangles are there. Have you observed here? One is triangle AOF, other triangle is triangle FOC, other triangle is ODC, other triangle is ODB, OEB and OAE. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triangles are there. Here let me write the what? First the lengths of the sides of the triangle. What is AB here? AB. See, this is 8 centimeters. Actually, this is also 8 centimeters. Therefore, the length of AB is x plus 8 centimeters. This length of AB is x plus 8 centimeters. What about the length of CB, my dear students? This CB is 6 plus 8, that is equal to 14 centimeters. Okay. See again, my dear students, here CB is over. Now AC is, see here, this is CD is 6 centimeters. This is also equal to CF. This is also 6 centimeters. Therefore, this AC is equal to x plus 6 centimeters. This is x plus 6 centimeters. This is x plus 6 centimeters. Okay, that means AB is x plus 8, CB is 14 centimeters and AC is x plus 6 centimeters. Okay, here this AB, let it be small a units, and this CB is small b units, and this AC is small c units. Okay, let us write here, let us find the area of the triangle first. That means according to Heron's formula, area of triangle ACB is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So here what is S here? S is A plus B plus C by 2. That is the semi-perimeter. That means here what is S? X plus 8. What is B? 14. And the C is X plus 6 by 2. This is equal to X plus X is 2X. 14 plus 6 is 20. 20 plus 8 is 28 by 2. So this is equal, if you take 2 as common, that is X plus 14 by 2. So 2 get cancelled. This is equal to X plus 14. So that semi-perimeter S is equal to X plus 14. But in the formula, there are the terms S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So here, let me find first S minus A here. So what is S? X plus 14 minus S A is x plus 8, that means minus x minus 8. So both get cancelled. 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. Similarly, that s minus b means x plus 14 minus 14. So plus 14 minus 14 cancel. This is equal to x. So finally s minus c is also there here. That means s means x plus 14 minus x minus 6. Minus x minus 6. Minus of x plus 6. If you multiply with minus, minus x minus 6. So these two get cancelled. 14 minus 6 is 8. That means s minus a is 6. S minus b is x. And s minus c is 8 units. Let us substitute now. Area of triangle delta is equal to root of s means what? What is s here? X plus 14 times s minus a is 6 times x minus b is x times s minus c is 8. S into, this is s minus a, that is 6, s minus b, that is x, s minus c, that is 8. Okay. So this is square units. So it is equal to 6 8s are 48x times x plus 14. X plus 14. This is square units. 48x times x plus 14 square units. Okay. Now we will find the same area of the triangle using the sum of the three triangles. One is OCB and OAB and OAC. So that means area of triangle OAC, it is equal to area of triangle OCB plus area of triangle OAB plus area of triangle OAC. That means OCB plus OBA or OAB plus and OAC. Okay, so this is equal to, actually area of a triangle is half into b into h, base into altitude. Here the base is 14, 6 plus 8 is 14, the altitude is 4 centimeters. The 4 centimeters is called radius of the circle. This is the radius. But according to theorem 10.1, the radius and the tangent, the CB tangent are perpendicular. Similarly, this OE is perpendicular to AB. Why? This OE is the radius and the AB is the tangent. They are perpendicular to each other at the point of contact. Similarly, this OF and AC are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, my dear students, this area of triangle OCB is half into, what is the base? 14 into 6 plus 8 is 14. No, here this CB is 14. Altitude is 4 plus half into, what is the base here? X plus 8 into 4. Similarly, here the base is half into x plus 6 into 4. Okay, x plus 6 and the altitude is 4. Now here this 2 in 4 2 times, again this 2 in 4 2 times, this 2 in 4 2 times. Finally here 2 14s are 28 plus 2 times x plus 8, that is 2x plus 16. Here 14 times 2 is 28, 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 8 is 16 plus, again multiply with 2 of x plus 6, that means 2x plus 2 6 are 12. So this is equal to, finally 2x plus 2x is 4x plus 28 plus 12 is 40, 40 plus 16 is 56. Okay, so let me repeat here, my dear students. So this is half into, base is 6 plus 8, 14 times 4, 2 times 4, 2 in 4 2 times, 14 2s are 28 plus half of x plus 8 times 4, that means 2 in 4 2 times, 2x plus 2 8s are 16. Similarly, half of x plus 6 into 4, 2 times 2x plus 12, that means 4x plus 16 plus 12, 28 plus 28 is 56. So this is finally 4x plus 56 square units. This is square units. Okay. So my dear students, here the area of triangle this OAC and area of the sum of the four triangles is equal, they are equal. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. This area and sum of the triangles, that is OCB and OAB and OAC, all are equal. That means from equation 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, my dear students, okay, so from 1 and 2 equations here, the equation 1 is what? Root of 48x times x plus 14, it is equal to 4x plus 56. That means take 4 as common, that means x plus 14. Okay, by squaring on both sides, my dear students, 48x times x plus 14, it is equal to 4 square of x plus 14 whole square. Here the square and root get cancelled. Okay, now here this x plus 14 and this square in 1 x plus 14 get cancelled. Then 48x is equal to 16 times x plus 14. Okay, so let us multiply now. 48x is equal to 16x plus 16 14s are that is 224. So this is implies 48x minus 16x is equal to 224. Just by subtracting 16x from 48, that is 2, 32x is equal to 224. So finally this x is equal to 224 by 32. 224 by 32. See here, this 32 in 224, 7 times cancel. Okay, so 7 times, therefore x is equal to 7. That means actually we have to find the lengths of the sides here, AB and AC. So here the AB is x plus 8, that means 7 plus 8, it is equal to 15 centimeters. Similarly, this AC is equal to x plus 6, that means 7 plus 6, it is equal to 13 centimeters. Therefore, the length of the side AB is 15 centimeters and the length of the side AC is 13 centimeters. I hope you understand this lengthy sum, my dear students. Actually, here first we have to find the area of triangle ACB according to the Heron's formula, and by using half BH, the sum of the three triangles, we should find the area of the triangle and we have to equalize the two equations, then finally we will get the answer. Thank you. Coming to the last question in this exercise 10.2, prove that the opposite sides of a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle. That means this ABCD is a quadrilateral. Given ABCD is a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle, with center O. Okay, subtended supplementary angles at the center of the circle. Okay, that means here this is O, no? O is the center of the circle. Angle AOB and angle COD. To prove angle AOB plus angle COD is equal to 180 degrees. That means these are opposite sides of the quadrilateral of circumscribing a circle, subtended supplementary angles at the center of the circle. That means angle AOB plus angle DOC or angle COD, it is equal to 180 degrees. So my dear students, here just I am doing some small construction. Just a small construction. What here? Just join this. Okay. Here The points of contacts are here. This is P, Q, R, S. Here there are, this is A, B, C, this is D, E, F, G, H. That means total 8 angles have been formed at the center here. So the construction here is just join OP, join OP, OQ, OR and OS. Okay, just we join this OP, OQ, OR and OS. This O is at the center. This O is at the center, right? Okay, my dear students, please look here. We already proved that triangle AOP and triangle AOQ are congruent to each other. They are congruent to each other. How they are congruent? This AP and AQ are the tangents drawn from the external point of a circle. They are equal. And this AO is the common side. And this angle are equal to 90 degrees. Here this angle is 90, this angle is also 90. Therefore, according to RHS congruency rule, these two triangles are congruent. Whenever the two triangles are congruent, according to CPCT, that angle A and angle B are equal. That means, let me write here, this angle A is equal to angle B. How can I write this angle A and angle B are equal? Since this triangle AOP and this triangle AOQ are congruent to each other. Okay, so here we observe that this angle A and angle B are equal. Similarly, this angle C is equal to angle D. Similarly, this angle E is equal to angle F. Only the reason is here to write this angle A and angle B, these two triangles are congruent, AOP and AOQ. To write this angle C and angle D are equal, that means this angle QOD and angle ROD are congruent to each other. To write this angle E and F are equal, my dear students, that triangle ROC and triangle COS are congruent to each other. Similarly, to write this angle G is equal to angle H. G and H, that means triangle SOB and triangle BOP are congruent to each other. Okay, so here we know that, directly I am writing here, we know that this angle A is equal to angle B, angle C is equal to angle D, angle E is equal to angle F and angle G is equal to angle H. These are what we have written by using the CPCT. Corresponding parts of the congruent triangles are equal. That means these two triangles are equal. Therefore, angle A and angle B are equal. Angle C is equal to angle D. Since these two triangles are congruent, like that we have written. Okay. Okay, but we know that the sum of all these angles at the center is 360 degrees. That is circular angle. That means angle A plus, angle B plus, angle C plus, angle D plus, angle E plus, angle F plus, angle G plus, angle H. This is equal to 360 degrees. Okay. Now, my dear students, here, instead of this what? Angle B, we can write angle A. Just write angle C. Instead of this angle D, we can write angle C. And angle E, instead of this angle E, we can write angle F, we can write angle E from all these above equations. And plus angle G, plus instead of this angle H, again we write angle G. This sum is equal to 360 degrees. Okay, there are two angles, two angle A's, two angle C's, two angle E's, two angle G's. That means 2 of angle A plus, angle C plus, angle E plus, angle G. This is equal to 360 degrees. So just send this 2 to other side, that means transposing. By transposing, angle A plus, angle C plus, angle E plus, angle G is equal to 360 by 2, that is 180 degrees. Just observe here. This angle A plus angle C, angle E plus what? Angle A plus angle H and angle D plus angle E should be equal to what? 180 degrees. That means, okay, So angle A plus here this H is equal to G. So let me write angle A and angle G at one side and angle C plus angle E at one side. Okay. So from above equation, this instead of angle G means what do you write here? Angle H. Angle A, angle H. So here this is angle E is already here, but instead of this angle C, what do you write? Angle D plus angle E. This is equal to 180. So here angle A plus angle G means angle H, angle C means angle D, just write angle E is equal to 180 degrees. So what is angle A plus angle H? That is angle AOB plus what is angle D plus angle E? That is angle DOC. So it is equal to 180 degrees. See my dear students, here how can I write all this from above equations? From above equations. Therefore angle AOB plus angle COD is equal to 180 degrees. That means the opposite sides of a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle subtend supplementary angles at the center of this circle. That means angle AOB plus angle COD or DOC, it is equal to 180 degrees. So this is the end of this chapter, circles for CBSE students. I hope you understand all these questions in this exercise 10.1 and exercise 10.2, my dear students. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share to your friends also. Thank you very much.